guys, I'm Kaylee Smiley at Kaylee Smiley here on Instagram, and today I'm here with Bella, and we're going to show you guys how easy it is to use the Color Plus conditioner to do a quick transformation right at the bowl on dry hair. So we're going to be using the hot pink and purple today for Bella's transformation, and we're going to take smaller subsections in each parting and do each individual color. Let this sit for about 20 minutes just because she doesn't have a level thin blonde on her highlights, and that way we make sure that we get a full saturation and a really vivid color. I've got Bella rinsed out, and I'm going to spray our Purify Plus Light. The reason I'm using the light version of our Purify Plus is Bella has more finer hair, so you're going to want to use that on your medium to fine hair clients, where the blue, the Purify Plus Original, is going to be more for your medium to coarse hair.
Beautiful results lasting 10 to 15 washes.